Come on, Lars. Oh, where'd the train go? Hi. Hi. Lars. I'm big boy. Hi. Can you come down by mommy? Come on. Can you come down by mama? You see your blankie down there, don't you? Oh. Oh. Come on. Come by mommy. Lars. Lars. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, you want mama to play with... Oh, way up high. Come by mom. There you go. You big boy. That was good. Hi. Hi. You got kisses? Hi. Do I get some kisses? Say peekaboos.